welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video guys, wala muna tayong video tutorial. So dahil birthday ko at nagsaselebrate ako ng aking birthday this week, mamimigay po ako ng worth of 1,500 peso load as my birthday giveaway sa aking mga subscribers. Ayan, so kung gusto nyong malaman ang mechanics kung paano kayo makakasama sa aking raffle draw by Friday na po yan. Friday, tomorrow, 7 a.m. US Pacific Time or tonight na po at 10 p.m. Pinas time tayo mag-start ng ating raffle draw. So kung gusto nyo malaman, please watch the rest of the video. So para alam nyo kung ano yung dapat nyong gawin step by step. So una, ang dapat nyong gawin ay panoorin nyo lamang ang video na ito from start to finish, of course. And then kung mapapansin nyo sa ating video title pa lang nakalagay na Ask Marie Anything. So yan yung pangalawang gagawin nyo guys. The second thing that you need to do is you need to comment your question. Mag-question po kayo sa akin, anything na you wanna ask. Please comment down below. Diyan po kayo magko-comment sa baba. I-comment nyo lang po ang inyong mga questions at yan po ay aking sasagutin tomorrow on my live 10 p.m. Pinas time na po yan. So huwag kalilimutan na mag-comment dahil kapag hindi po kayo nakapag-comment ay hindi po kayo makakasama sa aking raffle draw. So pwede kayong magtanong ng kahit na anong questions, anything about YouTube na gusto nyong matutunan. So itatry po natin na sagutin ang inyong mga questions hanggat kaya ko. And then you can also ask some personal questions, anything na you wanna know about me. So yan, pwede rin kayong magtanong. I will try my best to answer your questions no matter how uncomfortable it is for me. So itatry natin yan. As long as okay naman ang inyong mga question, it's not too personal, okay lang yung magtatanong kayo ng about my personal life. It's not a big deal. Basta wag lang siyang masyadong personal. Alam niyo na, pagka too personal yung questions, hindi ko siya sasagutin kasi I don't wanna answer your questions live on YouTube in public na makikita ng buong mundo, okay? And then please, huwag kayong magtanong ng mga questions na walang kakwenta-kwenta or mga questions na wala namang value kayong makukuha. Kasi ako as much as possible, gusto ko pag nagsasalita ako, meron akong kahit pa paanong konting tips or anything may value na maibibigay or maipaparating sa lahat ng aking mga subscribers or viewers out there. So ayokong sayangin yung aking time and effort sitting here in front of you guys na sumagot ng mga questions nyo na kaya nyo naman sagutin or mga questions na walang value. You know what I mean? Okay, for example, ano ang nauna? Itlog or manok? Bakit bilog ang mundo? So those are the questions na irrelevant naman. So hindi natin pag-aaksayan ng ating time na sagutin yung mga questions na yan. Okay, and then the last thing that you need to do is you need to share this video to your friends and your family and have them watch the video and then mag-comment din sila dyan sa baba in the comment box below and then i-hashtag lang nila yung inyong mga name or channel name para magkaroon kayo ng second entry. Ayan. So the more you share, the more na magkakaroon kayo ng chance to win more prizes. Alright? So, ayun lang guys. So, sana ay malinaw sa inyo ang lahat. Unang-una, uulitin ko ulit. Panuorin nyo ang video na ito. And then, the second one is kailangan na mag-comment kayo dyan sa baba at mag-ask kayo ng any questions na you wanna ask from me. And then, the third one, share this video to your friends and family. Have them watch the video and mag-comment din sila sa baba. I-hashtag ang inyong mga channel name para magkaroon kayo ng second entry. So, yun lang po ang inyong gagawin. Simpleng-simple lang po. At lahat ng mga magko-comments na yan ay makakasama po sa aking raffle draw. Tomorrow na po yan, 7 a.m. US Pacific Time or 10 p.m. Pinas Time. Okay, so lahat na magko-comment on my video is starting from now, the moment na na-upload ang video na ito on YouTube. So, bilang lang po kayo ng 10 hours. So, 10 hours from now, yun lang po, dun lang ako magbe-base kung sino-sino yung makakasama sa raffle draw. So, the moment na na-upload ang video na ito, mag-comment na kayo agad-agad, ask me questions, and share this video as many as you can para mas marami kayong raffle entry. So, ayan. So, again, ini-invite ko kayo to attend on my live tomorrow, 7 a.m. US Pacific Time or tonight na po yan, 10 p.m. Pinas Time. So, kita-kita po tayo. I hope to see you all on Friday. And God bless you and have a wonderful day. Bye!